What's up, blade enthusiasts and everyday carry aficionados? In a world flooded with overseas manufacturing, there's something special about gear built right here in the USA. The feel, the quality control, the heritage, it just hits different. But in 2026, with supply chains and shopping habits constantly evolving, can you still get that Amazon with just a click? The answer is a resounding yes. Today, we're counting down the top 10 American-made EDC knives that are defining the pocket carry game for 2026. This is about supporting stateside craftsmanship without sacrificing convenience. Let's get into the steel. Number 10. The Gerber Fastball, kicking off our CRKT CEO. This knife answers a very specific question. What do you carry when you work in an office, attend meetings, or simply want a tool that doesn't look like a tool? The CEO is a masterclass in minimalist, pen-like design. Its slender, clip-point blade slips discreetly into the pocket, and its thumb stud deployment is quiet and refined. While its AUS 8 steel is chosen for ease of sharpening over extreme edge retention, it's perfectly suited to its tasks: opening packages, breaking down boxes, or cutting a loose thread. For 2026, expect continued availability of upgraded versions with better steels like D2 or S35EN. The CEO isn't a hard-use survival knife. It's a sophisticated accessory for the modern professional. It proves that an American-made EDC can prioritize discretion and elegance without vanishing from the mass market, remaining a staple on Amazon for those who need a capable blade that flies under the radar. Number 8. The Buck Knives 110 Slim Pro. Since 1964, the classic 110 folding hunter, made in Post Falls, Idaho, has been the American pocket knife. The Slim Pro takes that legendary silhouette and optimizes it for daily carry. It sheds the brass and wood for lightweight, durable Grivery handles and adds a modern, reversible pocket clip, a game changer. It retains the iconic lockback safety and is now available with premium S30V steel, giving the legendary Buck heat treat a super steel to work with. For 2026, this model will remain a cornerstone of Buck's Amazon presence. It represents heritage without the weight, offering timeless reliability in a package that fits comfortably in your 21st century pocket. It's the perfect knife for the traditionalist who finally wants to actually carry their granddad's legendary blade every single day. Number 7. The Kershaw Leek. Securing the number 7 spot is perhaps the most consistent and recognizable American EDC of the last 2 decades, the Kershaw Leek. Designed by Ken Onion and made in Tualatin, Oregon, the Leek's sleek, slender profile and lightning-fast speed-safe assisted opening are timeless. Its Sandvik 14C28 end steel offers a fantastic balance of corrosion resistance, toughness, and a screaming sharp edge that's easy to maintain. The anodized aluminum handles and frame lock construction are durable and clean. While it's been around for years, its continued presence on Amazon is a testament to its perfected formula. For 2026, expect special edition runs with new handle materials and colors, but the core design will remain unchanged because it simply works. The Leek is the reliable, go-to choice you can always count on to be in stock. It's the knife you buy when you need a supremely capable, no-nonsense tool and don't want to overthink it. American efficiency at its finest. Number 6. The Hogue Deka, American-made performance. Made in Oregon City, Oregon, by a company renowned for firearm grips, the Deka brings that expertise and ergonomics to the knife world. Its polymer handle is sculpted to lock into your hand comfortably and securely. Where it truly shines for 2026 is in its adoption of CPM MagnaCut steel, a revolutionary American-made super steel offering the holy trinity of extreme edge retention, toughness, and stainlessness. Coupled with Hogue's excellent Able lock, a refined axis lock, it presents a direct, high-value challenge to more established brands. Available through a growing network of dealers on Amazon, the Deka represents the future, a focus on cutting-edge materials and perfect ergonomics at a direct price, proving that American innovation in the knife space is alive, well, and more accessible than ever. Number 5. The Protech Malibu. This knife, made in Ontario, California, the Malibu took the knife world by storm with its reverse Tonto blade shape, incredibly smooth action, and rock-solid build quality. Its ceramic bearing flipper deployment is buttery and addictive, and the button lock is satisfyingly crisp to disengage. Typically featuring premium CPM, 20 CV steel, it's built to perform. While its availability can be sporadic due to high demand, Protech's official and authorized dealer presence on Amazon has grown, making it more accessible than ever for 2026. The Malibu is for the enthusiast who appreciates mechanical artistry. It's a fidget-friendly masterpiece that also happens to be a phenomenal cutter, representing the peak of American production knife manufacturing, where flawless function meets desirable form. Number 4. The Zero Tolerance 0450CF. This is a downsized version of Dmitry Sinkovich's famed 0452, and its perfection in a pocket-sized package. It features a carbon fiber show scale over a titanium frame lock with a hardened steel insert, and its S35VN blade is a slicing laser. The deployment, via flipper tab on cage ceramic bearings, is hydraulic and snappy. For 2026, look for potential updates with CPM, 20 CV, or MagnaCut steel. As part of the KI USA family, its availability through premium Amazon retailers is consistent. The 0450CF is the choice when you demand maximum performance and premium materials in a minimal footprint. It's a statement piece that says you appreciate the finer details of machining, materials, and design, all condensed into one of the most elegant and capable American-made flippers ever created. Number 3. The Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight. This knife takes the soul of the legendary Paramilitary 2 and refines it for optimal everyday carry. The secret is its injection-molded FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, handle, which is incredibly lightweight and features Spyderco's bidirectional texturing for a secure grip. It retains the superb compression lock, one of the safest and strongest locks available, and the iconic spider hole for easy, ambidextrous opening. For 2026, expect it to continue being offered in a variety of American-made exclusive steel runs, like Crewwear or Spy 27, through Amazon retailers. The Para 3 LW is the ultimate expression of function over form. It's a no-nonsense, brutally efficient cutting tool designed by people who use knives for people who use knives. It offers top-tier performance with absolute minimal weight, representing the pragmatic, innovative heart of American knife making. Number 2. The Benchmade Bugout. When it launched, its absurdly light weight, under 2 ounces, and full-size capability seemed impossible. Its Grivery handles are flexible yet durable, and its iconic axis lock remains one of the most user-friendly and robust mechanisms on the market. The Bugout's genius is its platform versatility. For 2026, Amazon will be flooded with official and aftermarket scales in aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber, allowing complete personalization. With a blade in reliable S30V or upgraded 20 CV steel, it's a true benchmark. The Bugout isn't just a knife, it's a phenomenon. It proves that American manufacturing can deliver extreme innovation, creating a category-defining tool that balances weight, strength, and customization in a way that has been relentlessly copied but never duplicated. Number 1. Microtech UTX-70 CA, and finally, our number 1 American-made EDC for 2026 is the Microtech UTX-70 CA, manufactured in Bradford, Pennsylvania. This choice represents the pinnacle of specialized, daring American engineering. Microtech is the undisputed king of the out-the-front, OEF, automatic, and the UTX-70 is their compact, California legal masterpiece. Its firing action is a mechanical symphony, precise, powerful, and reliable. Built like a miniature tank from aerospace aluminum with an LMAX or M390 super steel blade, it exemplifies overbuilt quality. While automatics are restricted, the CA legal model and Microtech's growing official dealer network on Amazon make this icon more accessible for 2026. It wins the top spot not just for its brilliance, but for what it represents: the unwavering American commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a folding knife can be. It's a triumph of precision manufacturing, a piece of functional art, and a statement that in the world of EDC, American ingenuity still builds the tools that others can only aspire to create.